Hi guys, welcome to Citizen Mentors. My name is Keithan. The IIM Jammu calls have been out now, so thought of making a quick video just to help students to understand what are the placement figures, what are the batch profiles, and whether one should be joining it or not. So let's quickly get started with this. First thing first, I'm going to be talking about the batch size out here. So when you look at the batch size, the best thing about IIM Jammu is you have a batch which is of only 58 students, or you can say 60 at the max, right? Now that's the great advantage that you have. But again, as we have seen for the other baby IIMs, again it's dominated by engineers. That's 67%, and 33% is what you call it as non-engineers. Again, if you look at the sort of a work perspective, so again it's dominated by fresher. Again, nothing new. We have seen 2-3 IIMs, baby IIMs video as of now. So again, dominated by freshers again. Now 12 to 23 year work months ka work 14%. But again, doesn't make any sense to even look at these numbers. Why? Because you have 60 ka batch. I mean, again, if you talk about 20%, like this, like 20% to like round about 12 log, so it doesn't really matter. Now let's have a look at the placement. 84 companies visited. That's the best advantage that one can get, because say there are 58 students, already 4 are PPOs, right, which is round about like less than 10%, but still it's a decent one. So you have round about like 84 companies giving companies coming on the campus, giving visit to the campus. So I think it's a good number, because more number of companies coming on campus can actually help you to have more than one profile, or you can appear for more than one company. So that's a good thing, I would say. 24.5 lakh per annum ka average hai, highest city se, which is less than IIM Visakhapatnam and more than IIM Bodh Gaya. Okay, so I'm not going to be looking at this percentile breakup at all. What I am interested to know is what is the average. So average is round about 11. Now that's where the baby IIMs would stand in the bracket of 10 to 12 lakh ka package. Now let's have a quick look at what sort of companies or what sort of profiles are given. So if you look at BFSI dominates 12.2%, engineering consulting बहुत कम है, FMCG is decent, startups will not talk about, IT ITES is again 15.6%. मेरे ख्याल से ये भी IT ITES ही होगा, because the profiles like business analyst and all that. Okay, what I am keen to see. Okay, perfect. So finance is 26.7%. Okay, that's a good number. Management trainee 22.2%. Okay, so this is the number. Again, sales and marketing. I mean, definitely sales and marketing. Again, this is what we have seen in other baby IIMs also, that sales and marketing is on the higher level, which is nothing but the 1/3 of the entire placements of the college. Okay, looks good for operations and supply chain. 8.9%. Again, like 6 students getting placed. That's okay. Okay, fair enough. So placement wise, numbers are looking good. Profiles are going to be decent, I would say. Look at the sort of company list. So we've got Deloitte, we've got TechM, ICICI Bank. So all these companies are basically visiting all the campus. Okay, now let's have a quick sort of a comparison over here. So what needs to be done? Again, my take is going to be very much clear. If you are somebody who's a fresher, right, go and join IIM Jammu. Not a problem. It's a good start for your career. Again, at the very early stage of your life, you're getting IIM tag. A great thing. If you're somebody who is got 2 to 3 years of work and currently like having around about 5 to 6 lakhs ka package, you can definitely go for it, because the chances of making around about 10 to 12 lakh is a good thing. I mean, you can consider that sort of an option anyway. So fine, so freshers should join. 2 to 3 years का work जिसका है, they should be joining. And if you have any other good call, I mean, अगर बात करेंगे 4 के बारे में, या फिर KJ सोम्या के बारे में, IFMR के बारे में, SIS, दालमिया, वेलिंकर, then it doesn't make sense to join these colleges. Then definitely you would prefer to join IIM Jammu, that's for sure, right? So, but again, if you have got a good call, if you got a call from IITs or NMIMS or SP Gens, NITI and all that, right, then you should be joining those colleges, right? So again, 2 to 3 years of work अगर पैकेज कम है तो ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. अगर आपके पास कोई अच्छा कन्वर्ट है, then sort of you can think of going to that sort of college. But again, overall IIM Jammu does not look that bad. Also, it's a decent college. Third batch ka ye syllabus, so it's like around about 3 years old now, doing decently well. So that's it from my side. I hope you like the video. If you got any question, put the comment on the video, guys. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.